Hello, welcome to this short and direct video on how to pull Nigerian unemployment rate directly into Microsoft Excel. So it's very easy and straightforward. All you need to do is on your Microsoft Excel 2016, you click on Insert menu, you go to Insert menu, you click on Get Headings, you type Nigerian market data. You click on add. I already have it in mind. When you click on add, it will install on your Microsoft Excel, and you will find it under the home menu, and you click on Nigerian market data to launch the app, and instantly you will see it has a lot of very useful items and tools. The one I'm going to take you through is the unemployment rate. So you click anywhere in your Microsoft Excel sheet and you click on the unemployment rate, and instantly it's going to pull out for you in Excel all the figures of the unemployment rates already released by Nigerian Bureau of Statistics. So it goes as far back as 2010. So that's how it works. Thank you.